Listings may be viewed in a variety of different formats. When you run a search, the listings will appear in the format that has been selected as your default display. In most cases, this will be the one-line grid format. You can switch formats by selecting from the drop-down display menu located in the top right of the search results. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with each display option. Some formats show more information at a glance than others, and the number of listings displayed per page will differ depending on which format you choose, as noted in the display name. All formats, with the exception of the grid display, are static and cannot be changed. The grid display, on the other hand, is customizable, allowing you to choose what fields you want to view, and you can create as many different grid displays as you wish. Be sure to check out the grid tutorials for instructions on how to create your own custom grid formats. If your search results include more than one property type, the results will be separated by a tab for each property type. The number of listings per type is noted in the tab header. When you click on a tab, you may notice that the display format will change to show different fields applicable to the property type selected. Listings default to the sort order specified under Options. This can be changed by using the drop-down sort options. You can also turn on the Sort as Selected feature, which will add a sort box beside each listing. As you click a listing, the sort is added. You can manually add a sort position too. Click the refresh icon to adjust the display accordingly. If you are using a grid display, the sort can also be changed by clicking on the column header. Click once for ascending and twice for descending. Hold the Control key down to select up to 3 different sorts. To view the detail of a listing, simply click the listing number on any of the display formats. When you are on the full display view, you can select other listings in this view by clicking the VCR controls at the top. Click the Back to List link to return to your original view. If you are using a grid format display, the listing you are on will be highlighted in blue. If you would like the ability to check a listing while in the detail view, simply switch the display to the full detail format. This view is exactly the same view you see when you click on a listing number, but also contains a checkbox option, so you can select listings without leaving the detail view. To see all listings, simply change the display back to the grid format. All action controls, such as running a report, sending listings via email, etc., are located on the toolbar. Before selecting an action, you must first select the listings you wish to act on. Listings can be selected one at a time by clicking the checkbox, or you can select multiple listings at once. To select all listings on a page, check the box on the display header. To select all listings for a particular property type, check the box in the Property Type tab. There is also a Check All option under Options, along with options to remove or hide any unchecked listings. For your convenience, you can save your preferences for display formats, sorting, etc. for your future searches by using the settings under Your Preferences on the Admin menu.